started where we left off. So the first thing we're going to do is install brew, and we're going to be using this lovely big long command here, and we're just going to paste it in and hit enter. We're going to type in our password, and we're going to hit enter one more time to confirm the details, and good stuff. It's going to download and it's going to install brew. Okay, good stuff. Brew is now been installed, so we're going to update it using brew top homebrew / cask dash versions. We're also going to run brew top adopt openjdk / openjdk to add the openjdk repositories. Okay, good stuff. We now added all the repositories that we needed to brew, so we're going to run brew update, and everything's up to date, so good stuff. So the next step is using brew to install Java. So we're going to run brew search, and we're going to type in JDK, and happy days. So this has returned all the different versions of the JDK that we can install. As you can see, I already have version 14 installed and version 11. So just let me pick another version to install. Install version 12. So to do this here, I'm going to type in brew cask install adopt openjdk 12. And if you're following along, install version 14. It's going to ask you to type in your password, so just type it in. And happy days. That should be you complete now with Java installed on your machine. If you want to confirm Java's been installed, you can simply type in java -- version. And as you can see, this is coming up as version 14 for me, as that's the default version of my machine. And also you can confirm that Java is also installed. Okay, good stuff guys. Thanks very much for watching, and see you in the next video.